Hey guys, this is Vinod. Let's see the Indian stock market performance in the last 1 week. It's been very good. We know that. You also know that, right? But let's see which area is that really promising. One of the things we could see is the consumer durables, obvious, because a lot of AC, circulars, a lot of consumer durables, once this activity started, people flocked in and started buying a lot of things. And so that has also given momentum to these stocks, right? Next is the hospitality, right? 19% up in the last 1 week. Next is the logistics, and you have this realty sector and the retail segment, which has been doing well. And no doubt, sugar sector, especially Balrampur, Chini, and all, they should have done well because government has announced some packages and some funds, right? Next is the textiles. So all these sectors has been promising. Another important sector and stock, we know that SBI, right? Everyone were talking about SBI at a multi-year low, multi-year low. Yes, it came to the multi-year low and definitely has pulled back up. Great movement from 150 to 190. Yes, there is a further strength that the stock can go up on Monday. Markets are expected to open positive, and so will be SBI. You could see this pattern, very decent pattern, right? This is called the channel pattern, which in our previous videos about LT foods, that is the Dawat rice, we have indicated that the pattern is ready for breakout and move higher levels. It's already moved around 20% to 25% in the last couple of days. The same is expected to happen with SBI as well. So 200, 205 is definitely on the cards. Let's see and how fast these levels will be conquered by SBI. Let us see. Yes, the option chain data on Bank Nifty is also indicating that there is a positive move on Bank Nifty, right? This is the option chain open interest, which seems to be very good. Yeah, we could see that 21,500 call is having a great open interest. So it has closed around 21,000. Chances are reaching 21,500 is seems to be very high. So such option chain data, the sector performance, the sectors in limelight, and what sort of strategies to be adopted, what sort of patterns to be learned, what sort of targets we can fix for such securities. We need to have some understanding about analyzing a stock, analyzing the sector, analyzing trading opportunities, all those things. Yes, we have a program for you which is coming up on June 20th. That's the mentorship program, right? And I'll be taking you through this particular session. I'm a SEBI research analyst with having some good experience in the stock market and trained people for the CMT certification for all the three levels, which is being uh, announced by CMT Association regularly, right? So the program will have the technical strategies, options strategies, fundamental strategies as a combination. You're getting a complete package for totally 45 hours with 39 hours of weekend sessions and 6 hours of live market. And in the live market, you are going to have Indian stocks, Indian charts, and US charts. Trading in US is going to be a reality in very few days or maybe few weeks. So you need to be getting used to US market as well. So all the people who are having passion for the stock market, have some trading experience, want to learn about Indian market and US market trading, this is the program for you. And you can see the testimonials, people who have been successful for the last 60 days. They got a Zeroda 60-day challenge certificate, who is my student here, who learned adopted all these strategies what he learned, and good profitability made in option trade, and consistency in trading by one other student. What more, you're going to have this offer of around 12.5% off on the total fees of 24,000. So the offer is 21,000, right? And this payment, if you do it by 10th June, and get this particular offer, right? So where you can send all these things, register here, and then these are the details where you can complete your process of registration and do join for this particular program. Have a nice trading session on Monday. Happy trading. Thank you.